one step closer to your dreams. You can practice this meditation at any time or place. Just make sure you don't listen to it while you're driving. Find a comfortable place to sit where you can feel at ease and there are no distractions. The posture you choose doesn't really matter, although meditation works much better when the energy flow isn't blocked. That means your spine is straight and actively engaged. There are energy channels all along your body, and the main ones are located along your spine. Close your eyes if you prefer. Take a deep breath in and feel the power of energy flowing through you. Breathe out and release any tension, any stuckness, anything that's blocking your potential. The intention for this practice is to be grateful for your present. Be aware of your creative power and connect to your future vision. Take some time to focus on your breathing to reach a relaxed state of mind, where it's easier to plant the seeds for what you want to create today. Breathe in and out. Feel the energy of the surface you're sitting on. Be grateful for the ground that is supporting you, the circumstances around your life. This is your now, the only time that matters. Breathe in and breathe out. Observe your breathing. Observe your sensations. Observe your thoughts. Let them flow without judgment. Try not to identify yourself with them. They are not yours. They just are. Breathe in and breathe out. You have an amazing and powerful tool at your disposal: your mind. When you learn how it works, you can use it to your advantage. Today, you will practice programming your mind with the reality you want to create in your life. Create the goal in your mind. Picture it. What and who do you want to see? Where are you? Paint the picture as vivid as possible. Add sounds, colors, sensations, fragrances, textures. What about your family? How will their lives be different? Also, picture a scene from you at work. Notice how well your business is going. Look at your bank account. Watch those numbers. Picture them clearly. How does it feel to reach your goal? Keep breathing in and out deeply, savoring the sensations and the scenes you are watching. That's where you want to go. You've just set your mental GPS to take you there. And you will get there step by step. Every action you take means that you are a step closer. Right now, today, what's the next step? It's important that whenever you make a decision on what action to take, you first align your energy. Take a moment to ground yourself with a breathing exercise, just like you did at the beginning of this meditation. Breathe in and out, sensing the flow of energy, feeling lifted. Also releasing the emotions that might be blocking you, one by one. For now, just focus on the next step. You don't need to know the exact road that will take you to your goal. Remember that you have your GPS. Trust that you will be guided to the right resources and people. What can you do today to move a step closer to your goal? Some steps will be very easy. Others will require more effort and time. If you start to lose your motivation, because this may happen, come back to this meditation. Remind yourself of your destination and what you and your family will get after achieving your dream. Slowly and softly open your eyes, and if possible, make a list of the steps you have already come up with, and you may even include some deadlines. Happy manifesting!